Picking eating has been always a problem for many of us as a parents. How to deal with it is something that changed it a lot from past to present. Punishment was an option in the past, but now if you choose that, shortly you will find yourself between a lot of police officers. Let me share my story. When I was 6, I started to refuse eating. My mom was patient for a few weeks, but one day when I rejected the food again, she said, okay, I have a special food for you. She came back with a tray covered with a napkin. I felt victorious and was ready to eat a special food. She put it in front of me and said, okay, help yourself. Removing the napkin, I was shocked. There were a bubble of water, salt, and a piece of brick. And I just noticed a stick in her hand. I said, are you kidding me? This is not food. Tapping the stick, she said, yes, it is. Go ahead. I was in a bad situation. Eat or being kicked. No way to evasion. I tried it. That was horrible. I said, crying, I cannot eat. It's very hard. She said, no problem. Soak it in the water. It will be soft. She said, I said, okay, I tried it, but nothing happened. I said, I will eat your food, Mom. She said, are you sure? But you didn't like it. I said, I am sure. I will eat your food. My mom put that tray on the shelf of kitchen for a while, as a reminder. I've never complained of food anymore. And not only she was happy and satisfied, but also my wife is too now.